All right, let's go over this one more time. This is Pythagorean's theorem. It helps us find the length of one of the sides of this triangle. The basic formula for that is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we know the length of this side, we know the length of this side. So the formula is 5 squared plus x squared equals 15 squared. Now to balance that equation, you have you take 25 away from each side, and x squared equals 200. Then x is equal to the square root of 200, which is approximately 14.1. Oh, thanks, Tom.
Anytime.
All right, any questions? All right, let's go over one more thing. Actually, that's it for today. Your homework's on the board. Remember, it needs to be on my desk by the beginning of the class period, or say it with me. All right, you're dismissed. Thank you very much.
Hi, Mr. Foster. It's Janice. Please, this is urgent. I don't know where else to reach you, and I'm scared about Maisie. She's the featured cat for May, and I'm so worried.
It's Mr. Kelso. I'm just wondering about the case with my cat. He's been missing since March. Did you get the calendar we sent you? The April page of Feline Enthusiasts 07. It's hard to have it hanging on the fridge, you know? We miss Tootsie. Look, I'm sorry. Thanks. Keep us updated.
Good evening. We start tonight with a scary story of domestic pet disappearances. In fact, some 4 animals have disappeared, and there seems to be an anonymous catnapper at large. All of those animals have appeared on the current Feline Enthusiast calendar, and people are worried about more disappearing. The organizers of this weekend's free SNPSA spay and neuter program are also concerned. If you're going there or you see anything suspicious, call Crime Stoppers. The number, 224-STOP.
Well, Watson, what do you think? That's what I thought. Oh, hey, here's the attendance. Thanks.
Oh, what a beautiful cat. Is she declawed?
No, Watson's not much of a...
Watson? Well, it's a calico. It's a girl, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, what a little hairball. Oh, what a princess. I mean, well, she is a bit of a jelly roll, but, well, I never met a chubby cat I didn't like.
Anyway, the kids have a test tomorrow, and I need some copies.
Oh, sure, right.
Thanks.
I had a cat once.
Oh?
Mm-hmm. She died. On December 17th, at 3:20 p.m. She wasn't very photogenic.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Cats are lactose intolerant.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Yeah, bye.
bye.
Hey, Mr. Foster. It's Kelso again, and I'm hoping you've got some news about Tootsie. It's been a long few months without him. I'm tired of this waiting game. I just want to know.
Mr. Foster! Mr. Foster!
Janice, what happened? I'm working on it, I promise.
I know, but when I went home, my door was wide open and there was milk all over the kitchen floor and there were paw prints because I know Maisie struggled and I think she may be dead and I don't know what to do and she was so good to me.
Janice, can I see the scene?
I could take you there, but I cleaned it up.
You what?
Well, I couldn't bear to think about it anymore, and, you know, when milk goes sour, it just tastes and smells nasty.
I have to go.
Foster. I wasn't expecting you. The tests are on the kitchen table. I'll go get them for you.
B squared times h for height. So if your height is 5 and your volume is 15, then you need to find b. So that formula then is 15 equals 1/3 b squared times 5. Oh, thanks, Scotty.
Anytime.
So 3 equals 1/3 b squared, or b squared equals 9, b equals 3. Questions? That's all for today. Thanks.